Would you like to play in a public garden or park?
Yeah, I would like to play in a public garden.
For sure, I am a self-described outdoorsy person, so I love playing in green spaces. I've been to various parks and botanical gardens that have an interesting variety of flora and fauna, which really makes me feel at peace with nature. What do you like to do when visiting a park?
I never visit a park.
There's a whole lot of things I can do in a park, really. But what I love most is going jogging. I mean, where better to do it than surrounded by the flowers, trees, and birdsong in the park. How have parks changed today compared to the time you were a kid?
I really don't know.
Well, I suppose parks nowadays have transformed drastically compared to when I was small. The bulk of them now has more recreational facilities and adventure playgrounds, as opposed to the past, when all I could see in the park was pretty much all the grass, lakes, and trees. Would you prefer to play in a private garden or a public garden?
I don't prefer any play.
I would say that I have a stronger preference for the latter. It's because not only do community gardens normally have a wider range of flora and fauna than their private counterparts, they also better foster social relationships since access is given to everyone.